People really overthink and overcomplicate SEO. But if I had to break it down to the bare minimum essentials that you need to master in order to get SEO, it wouldn't be a lot. Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to break down 8 things to master in SEO. Do you know them? Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. The first thing I want you to master is studying search results and competitors. Who's ranking? How many backlinks do they have? What kind of backlinks? Where can you get these backlinks from? What kind of pages are ranking? Is it content pages? Is it e-commerce pages? Is it a service page? Is it an app? All these things are things that you need to know if you want to rank. Now, if you're just trying to figure this out and you're not sure where to get started, you can use Ubersuggest. You can type in any keyword and it'll show you not only all the other similar keywords, but it'll also show you who's ranking in the top 100 positions, how many social shares they have, how many backlinks they have, how many other phrases that they're ranking for. Heck, it even tells you all about their content as well. So you know, hey, should you be copying what they're doing or should you be using a different strategy? The second thing that you need to do is start planning and strategizing. What are the keywords that you can win at versus the ones that are going to be a waste of time? Look, search volume isn't everything. You need to look at what people are ranking for and see whether or not that you can replicate those kind of metrics. For example, if it's Wikipedia that you're going after, well, Wikipedia has a high domain score. The chances are you're not going to rank for everything that they're ranking for. You want to go after keywords that are less competitive. Because if you go after less competitive keywords that still get some traffic and have a high chance of converting, you can still generate revenue. And once you get your business going and you're doing better and better, then you can start going after the more competitive terms. In Ubersuggest, if you look at the keyword ideas report, it tells you how competitive a keyword is. Go after keywords that have an SEO difficulty score of less than 40. Those are easier to rank for. Ubersuggest will also tell you how many backlinks you need to rank for any given keyword, and that's integrated within the SEO difficulty score. The next thing I want to cover is writing. SEO is all about delivering what people need and doing a better job than anyone else. Writing content is going to be crucial to anyone running an SEO campaign, even if you're outsourcing it. If you're not great at writing, you can use your phone to record yourself, speak, and then use services like rev.com or trent.com to transcribe the audio. You can edit the transcription and then turn it into a blog post. Or if you're looking for other writers to write amazing content for you, you can go to the Pro Blogger job board. And in this job board, you can find a ton of freelance writers that are good at writing content that's SEO friendly. The other thing that you need to know is basic HTML. You'll need this skill because you need to edit title tags, meta tags. You need to add schema markup like the FAQ schema markup. It's a great way to get higher rankings. You also need to add tracking code on your site like Google Analytics. And then, hey, is that traffic converting into conversions? Google Analytics will tell you this. You need to figure out how you can structure your site so that way you have a hierarchy, right? You have parent topics, subtopics, all these things will help you rank higher. From optimizing alt tags to other basic things that are really important when it comes to HTML. If you don't know basic HTML, you're probably gonna have to hire a developer. You can find people at Upwork for pennies on the dollar, or else you could try to learn it yourself, but it may take a while. Or if you're using WordPress, you can just use plugins like the Yoast SEO plugin or the Rank Math plugin, and this allows you to optimize your blog and adjust a lot of this HTML stuff without learning a single line of code. Literally, you can do a lot of these things with a few clicks of a button. The next thing you need to learn is analytics. Your results will only be as good as you'll be able to measure them. If you don't know where your users are spending their time, what kind of content to produce, what's your best dwell time, which causes your visitors to bounce, and which causes your visitors to keep coming back and buying more and increasing your lifetime value with those repeat purchases. It's important to measure your content that's effective and why people are coming to your site, and once they land on site, what they're doing next. Even the devices that they're using. Because hey, converting someone on a mobile device is totally different than converting them on a web-based desktop site. Even if you have a responsive design, it's not that simple. These things will tell you how you should optimize your site, not only from a content standpoint, but also from a technical SEO standpoint. And remember, SEO is all about providing the best user experience. So you need to look at things like conversion rates per page and channel, bounce rates, time on site, traffic by channel, and month-over-month growth rates. This will all help you determine not only how you can grow from an SEO standpoint, but from a user experience standpoint as well. The next one, self-management. SEO is multifaceted. You'll be doing several kinds of activities in any given day. You can be doing SEO audits, writing content, keyword research, strategy, on-page optimization, cold email outreach, client meetings. If you don't have the skills to manage your time, things are going to get lost. You need to know on a daily basis what are the actions you need to do and which ones should be prioritized and how to manage your time effectively. If you're a bit lost, start off with the site audit report within Ubersuggest, because that site audit report will end up breaking down what you should focus your time on first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc., based on what's going to have the biggest impact to your ranking. The next thing you need to do is be willing to constantly learn. SEO changes rapidly, and every day something different can happen to alter your industry. Whether it's Google doing an update like the Medic update, or just a general algorithm change, or hey, you have new competitors who are copying all of your strategies and doing it better than you. So if you're not continually staying up to date with industry's trends, reading blogs, learning new techniques that may be surfacing, you're going to struggle. You need to read each and every single day and learn from other people in your industry as well, even if that takes some time out of your day. And I like doing things like going to industry events. Like when you go to those in-person conferences, you can network with other members. Heck, even if they're an SEO or marketing event, and you can get feedback from other SEOs and marketers on what they're doing that's effective versus what you should be doing. Most importantly, you need to derive conclusions from your SEO experiments and understand what are the lessons that you can learn from each success and each failure that you have, because not everything you're doing is going to work out. And last but not least, cold outreach. I've shared over and over again several studies that show correlation between backlinks and rankings. Ahrefs has a lot of studies on this, and so does Authority Hacker. And we're even seeing the same thing in Ubersuggest, in which there's a direct correlation between how many links you have and your rankings. And sure, after a while, there is diminishing returns, but for you, when you're starting off and you don't have that many backlinks, each and every single one really helps move the needle. It's important to master cold outreach, whether it's by emailing, social media, or even phone calls. How do you pique a stranger's interest and get them to link to you? How do you craft that introduction that you're so likable and approachable that people want to converse with you? How do you craft amazing subject lines? How do you persuade other people to take action? These are all skills that you need to master if you want to do well with cold outreach. Now, if you're trying to build links or figure out, hey, how do I get a ton of PR and get these links in an easy way? There's a tool called Mailshake. Mailshake has a lot of templates that they've tested and tried when it comes to link building. Check it out. It helps you. And they even have a community support center where you can live chat with people and they help you craft your outbound emails to generate more links. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And if you need more help with your SEO, check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer and help you out.